Welcome to Hanging Out with Robert, that's me. This video contains things that I encounter throughout the day. If for some reason I complete a task and you would like to see the details, you can click on the link in the description area below. This video also contains tips and tricks that I learned throughout the years. I plan on leaving this video accessible for about 30 days. After that, you can view it through my Patreon account. Thank you very much for watching. Yes, party people, kicking off the Tinker Day. Louisville, Kentucky, pull apart. Let me see if these 850s, there's supposed to be 3 850s down here. I'm looking for black panels. See if they got any of these down here. Wow, this is California style right here. Come on, people. Why y'all hit this thing like this? It's ridiculous. Just totally destroyed the column, piece, and everything. It's just destruction. Wonder how old that blower motor is. Looks original, I'll pass. But man, this thing is jacked up. Jacked up. Got a few good panels on it though. Here's another 850. This one is some kind of purplish blue. And man, they destroyed it too. I think this is the one John took the subframe out of. But man, somebody destroyed the inside of this thing like there's nobody's business. Let's see what else we can find. That one had a Superman on the back and on the side up there. Well, here's one that hadn't been destroyed yet. I don't think I need anything off of it. 263,000 possible miles. Dash pad doesn't look that bad over there, but it's really messed up here. And this one has 2 keys. A sedan with 2 keys. That'd be nice. Get the door handles, the glove box latch, the trunk latch. Do. Probably has an oil cooler block off plate still on it, since the tire's still on it. Be a good candidate for getting keys if somebody needs them. Louisville, Kentucky. Pull and pay, I think it's called. Found some headlights I thought were good. They look real shiny in there. But I noticed something was broke on the passenger side one. And these are DJ Auto. And man, this thing is a mess. I don't know how old it is. But the top of it is discolored. The clips inside of it are deteriorated, broken apart. And clip on the back was broke. The wires were pinched in the back. I decided I'm going to leave these here. I don't want to be messing with this mess. It's just a mess. But on the bright side, it looks like this trim here may be in pretty good shape. This car was probably garaged somewhere, like a silver or moon dust. Beautiful car. Another S70 down here. This one looks pretty good, but it was broadside, like Little Red was. I took the oil cooler block off plate. Another slick top, man. These are more common around here than I thought they would be. We are here in Louisville, checking on this 940, trying to get this thing running right. Not sure what's wrong with it. Ignition was replaced, but I think it's not starting now, so see what's going on with it and head back up to Cincinnati. Put the key in the ignition and got a no crank situation, but battery's not hooked up, so we're going to hook that up. This fan belt on the alternator should be on that front pulley, not that back pulley. It's kind of tweaked back. I'm not sure what's going on with that back wire there, so let me hook this battery up and see if we get this thing to crank and start. It also has no coolant. Needs a radiator replaced. May do that here in a few minutes. Go ahead and see if it'll start. Not starting. So we're going to try that for a few minutes, see if we can get it to fire up. Car's cranking, but it's not starting. We got fuses 1 through 8 has power, or 1 through 7. 8 through 22 has no power. So there's probably a J relay blown out somewhere. Let me see if I can find those. Not sure what that tissue's doing up there, but that can't be productive. I only see the J relays. Oh, there's a J relay right here. Let me see if there's some more somewhere. So I pulled the lower dash panel out because this ignition was replaced. Then I pulled the panel out that blocks the guts under here. Then I reached up here and unplugged the ignition switch harness, and there's a broke wire here. I'm not sure which one it is. It says S. That could be a problem. It's yellow with a white stripe on it. That's got to be soldered back together. Not sure if any of these other wires are jacked up, but, and I don't know if that, I guess it's an alignment tab being busted matters either. This thing should pretty much fall in place at this point, as many years as it's been plugged in. So, plus it's got pins closer than others. I don't think that matters, but this wire is going to matter. I need to figure out what wire that is. If you feel that this information was useful, please like it and share it with your social media friends. You can subscribe to my channel so that you will get notifications of future videos that I post. You can follow me on Twitter, and if you need to contact me directly, please visit my website. And if you have any questions, leave them below, and someone or myself will reply to them. Again, thank you very much for watching.